Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Stick around. I got a special request for you guys. It's important, so stick around and check this out. Alright guys, so a little change up on this video. I'd already completed it when I found out the good news. So first I'm going to tell you the bad news. Our good friend Lori Jean had her channel crashed, whatever, taken away, deleted, couldn't find no trace of it anywhere. YouTube, I guess, was able to retrieve it, bring it back up. So she has her channel back. Lori Jean. Unfortunately, she only has 2 subscribers right now. She lost all of her subscribers. Who knows whether or not YouTube will be able to put them back in or not. I doubt it. But anyway, so Lori got her channel back. Yay! Unfortunately, nobody subscribed to it. There's 3 of us. Well, it says 2 there. I just added mine, which gave it 3. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put her link to her channel down below. It's her original channel. So if you by chance happen to have her original channel link saved somewhere, great. If not, use the link down below. Go to her, subscribe, ring her bell, give her a thumbs up. If you haven't heard of Lori before, let me tell you a little bit about Lori. Lori's up in Canada, back east in Quebec. She's a great person. She does MRE reviews. She does healthy food cooking. She has Cast Iron Wednesdays. These are some of her playlists. Cast Iron Wednesdays is one of her playlists. Really good person, really good spirit, helps people out. So let's help her back and go and subscribe to Lori Jean and get her back where she was before. All right, thank you. And as a reminder, my 1,000 subscribers giveaway is still going on. So if you haven't checked that out yet, go to my channel, check it, and look for the our OUR 1000 with a comma 1,000 subscriber give space a space away contest. You can also put it up there and search it on Google, on the YouTube, and it should come up. All right, so I got 10 winners, plus a grand prize winner. All the rules are in there. The links to once you go to the 1,000 subscriber video, it has all the links in the description and everything. So you still have a chance to get in there, and have a chance to become eligible for one of those prizes. Alrighty. As always, stay happy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right?